Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on half-wave dipole antenna. The question given here is a half-wave dipole antenna is excited with the current of 0.5 ampere at terminals. Calculate E and H at theta is equal to 45 degree. Right? So for half-wave dipole antenna we have E theta and H phi. E theta is given by 60 Im divided by R cos pi by 2 cos theta divided by sin theta. This is what you call E theta value, right? Similarly, H phi value is Im by 2 pi R. This one is same, cos pi by 2 cos theta divided by sin theta, right? So I is equal to Im, maximum current 0.5 ampere, and where we have to find at 1 kilometer. So R is the distance. 1 kilometer means 1 into 10 power 3 meter. So I got R got theta we know. Just substitute the value. So 60 I is 0.5 divided by 10 power 3 cos pi by 2 cos 45 degree and divided by sin 45 degree. So that will give 42.42 into 42.42 into 10 power minus 3 electric field, so unit is volt per meter. Okay, so what about Im we know? Im is 0.5 divided by 2 pi into 10 power 3, R is 10 power 3 cos of pi by 2 cos 45 divided by sin 45. That will give H phi 0.113 into 10 power minus 3 ampere per meter. So H phi is this one. E theta is 42.42 into 10 power minus 3 volt per meter. Simple question, right? Okay. Second question is calculate the bandwidth of a 50 centimeter long lambda by 2. So half-wave dipole antenna, that is equal to 50 centimeter. That is what L, length of the antenna is lambda by 2 antenna, it is 50 centimeter. Q is 15. Find bandwidth. What is the relationship between the bandwidth and Q? Bandwidth is equal to F by Q. So L we know, lambda by 2 is equal to 50 centimeter. 50 into 10 power minus 2. This implies 100 into 10 power minus 2 meter. I want F. F is equal to C by lambda. Alright. So C is 3 into 10 power 8. Velocity of EM with 100 into 10 power minus 2. This is what F. This is equal to 3 into 10 power 8. 300 megahertz. Fine. Now I got F value. Bandwidth is equal to F. 300 into 10 power 6 divided by 15. That is equal to 20 megahertz. Very simple question. Right. I hope I understand both the problems. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. Thank you.